Hi guys, it's Kate Wilson here with Wilson Luck Real Estate Group, and today I am with Dwight Wilson of Home Street Bank and another great agent that we love and trust, Omar Isa here at Windermere, and we're talking about HELOC, right?
Well, different ways to access your home equity. I mean, so many of you have such great first interest rates, in the threes. Our friend Andrew has one at 3%. I mean,
Holy moly.
Yeah, right.
Sign me
So,
up for that.
I mean, why would you refi out of that? I mean, that's tough. I mean, if you need money though, and there are ways to access it, and one of them is just the traditional HELOC. A second mortgage, it's called a HELOC, home equity line of credit. You can access your money. You don't have to get rid of your first. Keep that 3%. Are you guys familiar with HELOCs yourselves?
A little bit, yeah. I
Okay.
mean, I've had a little experience. What about you, Omar?
I haven't had to utilize one, but certainly thought about it.
You're
Yeah.
a good example. We
Mhm.
talked about your place. You have quite a bit of equity. You have a great first mortgage.
Yeah.
So when you're ready, you're in a different position, but I do talk to people that need to access that equity. There's
Yeah.
for whatever reason, you can access it. You're going to get a percentage. Let's say you have a $20,000 line of credit, of equity. You don't have to use it all. But if you get that, you have $10,000 you pull out, you're paying on $10,000. So your monthly payment's
So
based
you
on
don't
what
have
you
to
pull
pull,
out.
yeah, you don't have to pull out whatever's available.
No. I
Okay.
mean, what does that sound like to you? A credit card?
Yeah, credit card.
Right? And
Yeah.
so it's a way to access your money and without spending your, the $8,000 on closing costs, whatever it's going to be. So give me a call. We can talk about it. Contact
Yeah.
Katie, contact Omar.
Yes.
And access your equity. You can keep your low first mortgage. Don't feel trapped. Don't feel like you have all this equity you can't access. You can. There's options.
Well, and the other thing too, and Omar and I hadn't talked about this yet, but this is we're calling this Lender Coffee Talk because we want people to send in their questions to
Right.
us. What is your burning question? What is it that you're needing to know about home lending? And then they're going to get a coffee card. So if we choose your question for our next video, then you get a coffee card, coffee on us. So
Exactly.
Your own coffee.
Yes.
All right? So send in your question. I'll look in the camera and we'll get it answered.
any thoughts from you, Omar?
Well,
Anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, people will probably be asking, well, if it's like a credit card, why don't I just get a credit card? Well,
That's a great point.
That is a good point.
It probably has to do with the interest rate, though.
A lot of different factors
Yeah.
there, So with a credit card compared to your house, well, you're accessing your money, essentially, right?
Mhm.
Because it's your equity. Right? So now you're using your equity, your money. That's your net worth. So you can either continue to use it or, what if in 30 years you have your house paid off? So a lot of people think they have to, you don't want to go get a credit card, high interest, low interest. It doesn't matter what it is. There's no need to do that when you can use your money and access your money at a low cost because HELOCs, they're typically a little bit lower of a rate as well.
Okay.
So that's something we can talk about further. You and I can talk about that too.
Yeah.
You're-
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, very cool. Thank you guys so much. And you always know my saying, Wilson luck to you.